Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So Faces Canada, they have a new luxurious matte lipstick added to their collection. So this is their Comfy Silk Obsession lipstick. And this lipstick, it speaks luxury. It's like their premium lipstick collection, and right now it's available only on Faces Canada website. In near future, this might be available on all the other websites, but right now you can get only on Faces Canada website. Purchase link I have mentioned in the description box. So do not forget to check the description box if you want to buy this lipstick. And this range, it has 11 shades in total. So there is something for everyone. From fair to medium to deep, this range has some beautiful shades for every skin tone. This lipstick, it comes in a nice book-like outer cardboard packaging, and you can see the lipstick inside. So see, the packaging is also very luxe, and this is the lipstick. This lipstick is infused with the nourishing benefit of avocado butter and rosehip oil. So your lips are fully hydrated and they remain soft and supple and comfortable. Your lips, they will not look dry or cracked. So look how beautiful this lipstick looks like. See, this is the bullet of this lipstick. It has a silky smooth creamy matte texture and it glides effortlessly on the lips and gives you intense color pigmentation in just one single application. And it has vanilla fragrance in it. See, this is the type of pigmentation you get in just one single swipe, and this shade, this is really to die for. It's really a very pretty shade. This lipstick, it does not feel heavy or uncomfortable on the lips and stays for good 6 to 7 hours easily. It has very little to no transfer at all, but if you eat or drink something, then it fades a little, but it's very easy to reapply as this is a bullet lipstick. It's priced at rupees 11.99, which is almost rupees 1200, and you get 4 grams of product, and the shelf life is for 3 years. The shade which I am having is called Dramatic Rust. And just look at the packaging, the outer cover, it just looks like a perfume packaging, a book type packaging, and this is also magnetic. So if you keep this also in your bag, this won't open. And look at the bullet packaging. It looks like a high-end product, and you can feel it has slight weight also. It's a golden color packaging with nice cuts which make it look even more luxurious. The bullet also is very beautiful and very interesting. You can see little hearts and the Faces Canada, this logo engraved here. See, the bullet is really very pretty, and some patterns and designs also, these are engraved here. You can very easily compare this new lipstick by Faces Canada with Lakme Rouge Bloom range. So this is the Lakme lipstick, which is also a very new and recent launch. So you can see same golden color packaging and beautiful patterns on bullet. So side by side you can see this is the Lakme one and this is the Faces Canada. So you can say that they are very similar to each other. So looking at these two lipsticks side by side, you can very easily say that Faces Canada has duped Lakme. But wait, I don't think they have copied Lakme, but they have extended themselves only. So if you remember, some 5 years back, Faces Canada launched their most luxurious lipstick, the Jewel Cut lipstick. Now this range is discontinued, but if you remember this range, this was the most luxurious lipstick by Faces Canada, and this is really worth buying lipstick. So if you compare the color, the packaging, the cuts made here, everything, you can find more similarities in these two Faces Canada lipstick rather than the Lakme one. So these are the 3 lipsticks. By packaging, you can see the Jewel Cut and the latest launch, they have more similar packaging than Lakme. So Faces Canada has not duped Lakme, it has extended itself. And talking about this Jewel Cut lipstick, this particular shade and this lipstick is my all-time top 5 favorite lipstick. Just look at the bullet. The bullet is very different from all the other lipsticks which you get in the market. This is not at all similar to anything. And the shade is really to die for. This is one of my favorite shade. As I said, this is my all-time top 5 favorite shade and the lipstick. Now coming back to a Comfy Silk Obsession lipstick, definitely get this if you're a lipstick lover, a lipstick collector, or if you want to just get a new lipstick, definitely get this lipstick. it's bit on the higher side. The price is little bit on the higher side, but it's worth buying. The shade name is written here on the bottom side of the lipstick. So the shade which I'm having is called Dramatic Rust, and the shade number is 11. Do try to get these lipsticks. They are very comfortable, highly pigmented, and very beautiful shade. So this was the video, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did like, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.